Hello again. Many of us started this morning on a dry and a sunny note, but it was wet and windy, and the wet and windy weather is going to continue through the day. The wind certainly a feature. Even inland, we're looking at gusts up for around 40 to 55 miles an hour across northern England, out towards the west. Gusts with exposure to severe gale level. Now, it's because we've got this area of low pressure. It's not just bringing in strong winds with it, it's also bringing in some heavy rain, and that rain is moving southwards and eastwards, but it won't get into the far southeast until later on in the day. So the heavy rain continues across Northern Ireland, Scotland, getting into Northern England, Wales and the southwest. Squally winds around it, and if we follow that curl round as it clears the Outer Hebrides in Northern Ireland, we'll see a return to some heavy and potentially thundery showers. Temperatures 10 to about 16 degrees north to south. Even by mid-afternoon, we still are looking at these strong gusts of wind. And again, you can see 48 miles an hour round about the Moray Firth and 54 round about the southwest of England. So a windy day in prospect. Eventually, that rain does make it down into the south and southeast through the course of the evening and overnight. Still, showers continue with strong winds across the far north of Scotland. It's going to be a cool night across the north of the country, where we've got all this cloud and rain in the south. Temperatures will remain in double figures. Tomorrow, this rain, if anything, will push a little bit further northwards and eastwards. There'll be a lot of dry weather coming in behind, but showers will develop through the course of the day, and we'll hang on to them across the far north of Scotland, where it will remain windy. And if anything, the wind's picking up for a time across the far southwest. Temperatures 10 to about 13 or 14 degrees. That's more or less bang on where we'd expect them to be at this stage in November. Friday sees a ridge of high pressure build across us, so things are fairly quiet. We'll see a lot of dry weather, just one or two showers in the west. They'll be the exception rather than the rule, and much lighter winds. Temperatures 10 to about 13 or 14 degrees. And then as we head on into the weekend, well, first of all, on Saturday, we'll have some rain coming in from the west. That's going to be pushing eastwards. It will be followed by sunshine and showers. And then on Sunday, that rain clears the east. Then it's going to be blustery with sunshine and showers.